students, Namaskar, good morning and welcome to another video of Applied English. Students, as you all know that we have watched 3 videos of Applied English and we have completed the first unit. After we have completed the first unit, now it is time for us to start a new unit. Unit number 2. As you all can see on the board that the name or the title of the unit is Hello, I'm from India. अथवा आम कह सको तमे कि I am from India, right? I am from India. I'm from India. Hello, I'm from India. Hello, I am from India. So this is the topic, unit 2. Hello, I am from India. What are the learning objectives? એટલે કે આ જે ચેપ્ટર છે એમાંથી આપણે શીખવાનું શું છે? So in this unit we will listen and learn to talk about ourselves. Ourselves એટલે આપણી વિશે વાત કરતા શીખીશું, right? Learn to talk about our birthday and place of birth. Birthday એટલે કે જન્મ દિવસ and place of birth એટલે કે જન્મ સ્થળ. આ બંને વસ્તુ વિશે આપણે શીખવાનું છે. Next thing is listen and learn to introduce ourselves. એટલે કે listen સાંભળો અને શીખો કે આપણે પોતાની જાતને કેવી રીતે એક બીજી વ્યક્તિ સામે ઓળખાણ આપી શકે કે બીજી વ્યક્તિને ઓળખાણ આપી શકે अथवा तो परिचय केवी रीते आपको आपनो ते शीखवानुं छे, राइट? The next thing is learn to say words beginning with consonant sound l, right? Consonant sound l સાથે શરૂ થતા શબ્દો આપણે શીખવાના છે આ યુનિટમાં. So again unit number 2, hello, I'm from India, right? Getting started, the first exercise is gap fill. Gap fill. What is in gap fill? Let us read out. Look at these people. Look at these people, 3 of them, right? Their country's flags are printed on their faces. તેમના દેશના જે રાષ્ટ્રધ્વજ છે તે તેમના faces પર print કરેલા છે, right? Can you identify which countries they are from? શું તમે ઓળખી શકો છો કે આ બધી વ્યક્તિઓ જે છે ત્રણે ત્રણ એ કઈ કન્ટ્રી કયા દેશને બિલોંગ કરે છે કે કયા દેશના છે? Write the name of their country below each picture. Below એટલે કે પિક્ચર ની નીચે, રાઈટ? અહીંયા આ બ્લેન્ક આવી છે ત્યાં તમારે શું કરવાનું છે? આ જે ત્રણેય વ્યક્તિઓ છે જેમના ફેસ પર તેમના રાષ્ટ્રધ્વજ પ્રિન્ટ કરેલા છે તેમને તમારે આઈડેન્ટિફાઈ કરવાના છે. તો this one is very easy. This is also very easy. This might take some efforts. I will not tell you which country these people belong to. You have to find out it on your own which country these people belong to. આ લોકો કયા રાષ્ટ્રથી જોડાયેલા છે અથવા તેમની રાષ્ટ્રીયતા શું છે એ તમારે જાણવાનું છે અને એ તમારી જાતે તમે ઇન્ટરનેટનો યુઝ કરી અને શોધી શકો છો. You can access internet and find out the names of their country, right? So this is your first task of the day. You have to watch this video. After watching this video you have to write down everything in the textbook itself, nothing outside the textbook, everything in the textbook only. So this is your first task. Let us move on to the next page. This is page number 19 and now it is time to go to the page number 20. Here comes page number 20. What is given on the page number 20? The first task is listening and learning. B1. Listen. Listen એટલે સાંભળવાનું છે, right? સાંભળો અને શીખો. What is to be listened? Play track number 2.1. First of all Listen to Farooq introducing himself. આપણે ફારૂક ને સાંભળીશું. ફારૂક પોતાની જાતનો પરિચય આપી રહ્યો છે. ફારૂક is introducing himself એટલે કે પોતાની જાતને તે પરિચિત કરાવી રહ્યો છે આપણી સાથે. So we will listen to it. What is the next thing? B2 choose. Play track number 2.2. Listen again એટલે કે આ જ કન્વર્સેશન આપણે ફરીથી સાંભળવાની છે. And then tick the correct options. આ options જે correct છે એ આપણે ક્લિક કરવાના છે, ટિક કરવાના છે, right? So first of all we will listen to this conversation or audio.
Listen to Farooq introducing himself.
Hello, I am Farooq. I am 9 years old. My birthday is on 15 January. I was born in London, but I do not live in London. I live in Delhi. I am an Indian. I like to play basketball and hockey. I love to read stories. I also write many stories. Ruskin Bond is my favorite author.
Okay students, so તમે સાંભળ્યું Farooq was introducing himself. Farooq એ પોતાનો પરિચય આપ્યો. Now what is the second thing? 2.2 play track. Again I will read out all these questions and the correct options that are given here or the options that are given here. Number 1, Farooq's birthday is on number 1 15th January, B 14th March, C 29th February. Number 2 is Farooq was born in. Farooq નો જન્મ ક્યાં થયો હતો? Number 1 A Delhi, B London and C New York. Number 3 is Farooq lives in A Delhi, B London and C New York. Number 4 Farooq is British, American or C Indian. Now this particular question is a bit tricky. તમે જે દેશમાં જન્મ્યા હોય ત્યાંની નાગરિકતા તમને મળે, right? So if Farooq is born in Delhi, he is an Indian. If he is born in London, he's a British, right? And if he is born in New York, he is an American. So you listen to this audio track very carefully. I will be playing it. Next, fifth, Farooq's favorite author is A Rabindranath Tagore, B Ruskin Bond, C R.K. Narayan. So here are the 5 questions, and now it is time for you people to listen to the audio track again and decide which are the correct options for Farooq. Okay, let us play.
Listen again. Tick the correct options.
Hello, I am Farooq. I am 9 years old. My birthday is on 15 January. I was born in London, but I do not live in London. I live in Delhi. I am an Indian. I like to play basketball and hockey. I love to read stories. I also write many stories. Ruskin Bond is my favorite author.
Okay students, so again you have listened to this conversation or the introduction, right? See, he gave this answer. Farooq is British, American or Indian. He gave the answer. He spoke it, right? So you have to decide the answer on your own. Now it is time for us to move on to the next page. That is page number 21, right? Page number 21. What is there on page number 21? B3 match. Now this is a matching activity. You have to match the people. Where were they born? આ જે વ્યક્તિઓ છે તે ક્યાં જન્મ્યા હતા, right? That is what you have to find out. So listen to some facts about a few famous personalities. એટલે કે જાણીતી વ્યક્તિઓ માટેની આ શું છે તો માહિતી છે, એમના facts છે, right? Listen carefully and match their names with the flags of their country of origin. એટલે કે તેમના વિશેની જે માહિતી આપી છે તેને તમારે ધ્યાનપૂર્વક સાંભળવાની છે અને તેમની કન્ટ્રી ના ફ્લેગ સાથે તેને મેચ કરવાનું છે. ઓકે, સો રસ્કિન બોન્ડ, J.K. Rowling, Lionel Messi, Roger Federer, right? And Argentina, India, Switzerland and the United Kingdom, right? So these are the countries. Here are the people. You have to match them. Okay, but when after you people listen to this audio track, so again I will read out these instructions for you. Where were they born? Listen to some facts about a few famous personalities. Listen carefully and match their names with the flags of their country of origin. એનો જ્યાં જન્મ થયો હતો તે કન્ટ્રીના ફ્લેગ્સ છે. ઓકે, you have to match them with all the flags. Which one to which country they belong, right? So here it's time for us to listen to audio track number 2.3. Let us listen to it.
Where were they born? Listen to some facts about a few famous personalities. Listen carefully and match their names with the flags of their country of origin. Mr. Ruskin Bond is an Indian author of British descent. Children love his adventure stories. He was born in Kasauli, Himachal Pradesh and has lived most of his life in the hills. He loves to write and lives in Missouri. Miss J.K. Rowling is a British novelist whose Harry Potter series take us to a world of magic. She was born on 31st July in England and has always lived there. Lionel Messi is an Argentine professional footballer who has managed to win hearts of the children across the world. He was born in Argentina but has also lived in Spain. He plays for Argentina, his birth country. Mr. Roger Federer is a professional tennis player who was born on 8th August in Switzerland.
Okay students, so you have listened to this audio. After listening to this audio, what you are supposed to do is you have to match these people with the country they belong to. I want you to listen to the same audio one more time so that everything becomes very clear to you. So we will play the same audio track one more time and try to listen to it very carefully and write all the answers absolutely correctly. Okay, so let us listen to the audio one more time.
Where were they born? Listen to some facts about a few famous personalities. Listen carefully and match their names with the flags of their country of origin. Mr. Ruskin Bond is an Indian author of British descent. Children love his adventure stories. He was born in Kasauli, Himachal Pradesh and has lived most of his life in the hills. He loves to write and lives in Missouri. Miss J.K. Rowling is a British novelist whose Harry Potter series take us to a world of magic. She was born on 31st July in England and has always lived there. Lionel Messi is an Argentine professional footballer who has managed to win hearts of the children across the world. He was born in Argentina but has also lived in Spain. He plays for Argentina, his birth country. Mr. Roger Federer is a professional tennis player who was born on 8th August in Switzerland.
Okay students, so you know all these famous personalities now, right? You know their country of origin. So what you do now is just match them with the country flag. Okay, here are the names of the countries: Argentina, India, Switzerland and the United Kingdom, that is UK, England, right? And the names of the people: Ruskin Bond, J.K. Rowling, Lionel Messi and Roger Federer. These are the names of the people, these are the countries and their flags. You just need to match them correctly. So if you have listened to the audio very carefully, you all will be able to answer every of these questions correctly, right? Now let us move on to the next point. Now this is the last point that we are going to discuss for in this video. What is it? So grammar guide, interesting language points. These are some interesting language points. You have to focus here only. This is the area that you need to focus. What is the first thing? When we talk about ourselves, જ્યારે આપણે પોતાની વિશે વાત કરતા હોય, we talk about our age, birthday, birthplace and where we live now. तो આપણે સાની સાની વાત કરીએ છીએ. So we talk about age, birthday, birthplace and where we live now. Birthplace એટલે કે જ્યાં આપણો જન્મ થયો હતો તે, and where we live now એટલે અત્યારે આપણે ક્યાં રહીએ છીએ તે. Likes and dislikes. Likes એટલે જે આપણને ગમતું હોય તે અને dislikes એટલે જે આપણને ન ગમતું હોય તે. Right? So again, age, birthday, birthplace and where we live now. For example, if I was born in America but right now I'm in India, so guys, my birthplace is New York but I live in India, right? What I like and what I do not like or what I dislike, that I have to mention here. So let us see how it is. When we introduce ourselves, we say, hello, I am Kamlesh Rajput. I am 36 years old. I was born in America. I live in India. I like playing cricket. I do not like traveling. So these are the facts that you need to mention. One more time we will be discussing it. હું ફરીથી એક વખત તમને સમજાવી દઉં. So when we talk about ourselves, we talk about our age, birthday, birthplace and where we live now. Likes and dislikes, ગમતું અને ન ગમતી વસ્તુઓ વિશે પણ આપણે વાત કરીએ છીએ. So this is how it will go. When we introduce ourselves, we say, hello, I am Kamlesh Rajput. I am 36 years old. I was born in America. I live in India. Right? Next, I like to play cricket. I do not like to travel. આ થયું મારું introduction. હવે તમે શું કરશો? You have to just place your details here and you can give your own introduction. Is this easy or difficult, students? This is again I say very simple, very easy. So let me say somebody else's name. So I will say the name of one of my friends and say this. Hello, this is Mr. Indravadan. He is 37 years old, right? He was born in America. He lives in India. He likes to play cricket. He does not like to play football. So I will call Indravadan sir here with me. So Indravadan sir will stand here. Okay? So he is my friend. So I will say this way. Hello. He is Mr. Indravadan. He is 37 years old. He was born in America. He lives in India. He likes to play football. He does not like traveling. So this is how the introduction of my friend is given by me to you. Okay, I also gave you my introduction. Now it is your turn that you people give your introduction to me. So with this, I will be ending this video. But before I end this video, let me remind you one more time what is the homework. Let us go to the first page. Okay, we'll go to the first page and see what the homework is for you. First thing is gap fill. You have to find out the names of the origin of these people's country. The flags are given here. On the next page, we have page number 20. On page number 20, you have to listen to this conversation, and Farooq's introduction is given here. You have to fill in the correct answer. You have to tick mark the answer, and next page, what I told you, you have to match these people with the country of their origin. Okay, so here is the end of our video. You can also write down all your information here, and you can also practice. So students, hereby we will end our video. Thank you very much for watching this video.